We're on our way to the shop, and this is it. Big moment, big moment. It's not legal fully yet, but we're darn near closer. Ah, man, what a car.
Day 2.
Hello? Yeah, I can be there before 5 today. Going to pick up Jet.
That's a really nice car.
Thank you very much. Alright, so, can I assume it passed? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? What is going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and guess what? We are now driving my Jag. People, we did it! We did it! I did it! Listen to her! And I cannot believe it. I cannot be any happier. I have not been this excited about something in a long time. The shop did amazing. Gotta pat myself on the back. I did pretty darn good for my officially second salvage Jag. This was perfect. Somebody's on my tail in the town as 25 miles an hour. I'm going 30, and they're on my tail in a Volkswagen. I hope they like what they see, because we're in the middle of just country bumming it. Who cares? They get to look at it. I get to look at it. Take your pictures, whatever, man. I have a Jag. And it's okay if people want to stare and look at it and creep on my tail. It's fine, because I have a Jag. How's it gonna do in these turns? Oh, holy cow! Like butter! Ooh. It is an absolute joy to drive. And we are back from the first drive. Let's see, just kind of looking over things, how she did. Everything in here, clean. Over here, yeah, you know, pretty. Everything's good here. That was fierce, man. Well, we're here ready to wash my car. My buddy's not home, so I can't really get back there and actually film. And as you can hear, the noise in the background's ridiculous, so this is happening. Yep, we're just gonna go drive through the yard, through the back of the house here. She could do it. She's lived on a farm for a while, so it's fine. Like old times in Pittsburgh, huh?
Josh!
What? Sam?
Where are you?
Is this the Josh drive-through window?
Yeah.
The bedroom drive-through?
Yeah, it's the drive-through for the Josh window, but hip good looking.
Alright. What'd you order?
I ordered the Josh special.
Alright, I got an iPad. I hope that works.
Yeah, it works.
Take it.
I can't reach.
Take it.
There's the screen in the way.
Okay, thanks for coming.
Alright, thanks, Mama.
Bye.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
That's my girl.
So, like any good sports car that I own, it needs a good wash, clean, detail, ceramic coat. The best way to do that, Salty Captain. So, let's get into this because it well deserves it. Been sitting on the lot at the farm for, feels like generations, but a couple months, and it's nasty dirty. So, you're gonna get the grease and grime and nastiness over there and all this pet stuff. We just made it through all this. She's been made through all the field and stuff like that at the farm, so this was no problem at all. Ew, nasty. Sexy car walking right up to it. And to have the best paint and best results with no scratching or issues, come over here to the Salty Captain stuff. Let's check it out. Oh, this right here is gonna be one of my favorite items to use. This has great ratings and it's super soft and microfiber. This is gonna be beautiful for using on there. You got the whole kit right here. The spit and lick. This is perfect for the Jag. If you want to be safe and perfect and beautiful, come on, guys. We got everything we need right here. Like, this is legit, actually. That is good, but this Oh yeah, this is way better. Dang, super soft. Tell you what, I gotta tell you, this musket right here for cannon blast and like the soap and everything on there, game changer. Real quick, real simple. And this is really nice to use because you just fill up right in here, then you pull the lever and you're ready to rock and roll and just spray down the whole car. Have you ever had one of these before? I haven't. And this is nice. Yeah. I forgot I don't even need my bucket, so we gotta start spraying. Let's go. Alright, bring it on. We got the glowing green product here, wheel cleaner. So let's do this thing. Wow, it's like getting off all that iron buildup and stuff like that. It's actually turned purple. Wow, look at that. This is the fancy stuff, guys. Stuff you've always wanted. Oh yeah. Alright, we're taking this a step further with drip dry. I had this from before. I'm gonna do it again on here. You gotta do it when the car is still wet. You apply it with your foam cannon and you rinse it right off immediately. Don't let it cure or anything like that. It's doing small sections at a time. So dump it in here, spray it on, spray it off. Let's go. Boom, the big drying towel. Let's see how good this does. Just like this. And swoop. Ooh, yeah. Nice, very nice. This is it. The watermelon scented sprout wax. I'm excited to see and smell how this is gonna do. Let's find out. Smells pretty good. All right. Not like leaving a bunch of streaks and stuff like that, so that's nice. Ooh, yeah, that feels good. Oh, that's slick, guys. Whoa, look at that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Nice. All right, we got a lot more to do with the car. Let's see how fast we can get this done, like 10 minutes. Oh man, that's looking fine. Now we gotta do the tire shine and UV protection and well, just protection all around. So spray it on, use the applicator pad, and then good to go. Well, I gotta say, Salty Captain came in clutch once again for my beautiful Jag. It's been fully restored, fully operational, fully legal, and is a fantastic, amazing car. You remember all the way back from Pittsburgh where you picked this up, wrecked, destroyed, and malfunctioning up the wazoo, onto this beautiful machine. And I think we're keeping this for a very long time, if not forever. And if you guys enjoyed this series on rebuilding my Jag F-Type, go ahead, make sure you give a thumbs up right there. Make sure you subscribe down for a little more content with this vehicle quite like this and much more rebuilds. If you have any questions or comments about anything, leave it down below. Love to help you out, talk about this amazing car once again and all the products I use today. Go ahead and check out my links down below for everything we use. And if you want a link to a car like this, hey, I'll give you some links to buy some beautiful ones as well so we can go and cruise around. But guys, thank you again so much for watching. This is GTSam. I'm going to catch you next time on a beautiful build coming up here. Kind of like a Mercedes AMG? Could be.